Welcome. In front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I'll show you how you can boot this tablet into recovery mode. So, to get started, you'll want to hold power key. From here, select power off, and once the tablet turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. When you see the TCL logo on the screen, which should be right about now, there we go, hold it for a couple more seconds and then let go of the two keys. As you can see, this will boot us into recovery mode. So in here you'll need to use volume keys to navigate through the options, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that in mind, from here, the first option, reboot system now, takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, I believe, will boot us into fast boot mode or do nothing. Then we actually have a fast boot mode below that. We can also apply updates from ADB or SD card, can wipe data or cache partition on system, view logs, and run tests. And also as a last option, we can just turn off the device from here. So that's basically what we have in here, and there's not much more to show, so I'm going to leave this mode by selecting reboot system now, confirming it, and there we go. This will reboot the device and take me back to the typical Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.